Hello, students. A very beautiful, cheerful, and phonetic good morning to my all dear kids. Now, here, today, we are going to start with the first lesson of our English textbook, that is Beehive. The first chapter is The Fun They Had. Now, here, before of that, we have seen the meaning words of this lesson. That yesterday we have discussed about minimum 21 meaning words, and I have explained you details with the sentences also. Now, the same meaning words you may come across in this chapter that we are going to see today. Now, here the question arises, what the story that we are going to see, the lesson, that is the fun they had. This is not a chapter. We can say this is the lesson, but this is an imaginative story. Now, you all are kids, so you like to listen the story, right now? So that's why in the same way today we are going to see a very interesting story, but this is an imaginative story which is written by our writer, that is Isaac Asimov. Now here every kids like to listen the story, so same thing we are going to see about some future imagination, that how the future school will be. Means here this story is talking about nearby 2157 year, okay. Means in the year of 2157 how the future school will be. Means in that story we are going to see all about the future school, how the set of school in the future, when schools, books, and human teachers as we now see them, means I as we now know them, will perhaps not exist, because we all know that there is a lot of improvement day by day happening in the field of technology. Means whenever we are just making the progress, our scientists also making the progress, now engineers also making the good progress, and just going in the very fantastic way, in a very fantastic manner also. Means day by day they are making the lot of improvements in the field of technology. So now today also we are just learning everything in online examination or online purpose. Means anything we are going to learn today, it's in the online way. Means through mobile, through computer, we are just learning. Means what is this? This is nothing but, even during the corona season, means COVID-19, we are still learning with the help of technology. Right or not? Yes, right. Means that is nothing one best improvement in the field of technology, right? So that is nothing but the field that we are going to see today, that is the technology field, okay. Means because of lot of development that forming in the field of technology day by day, so we are just going to discuss how the future school will be, how the future generation that is nearby in the year 2157, how the future school will be. Means if there will be, now today if there is a lot of improvement, how the most improvement, means how many improvements will be happen then in the future school, where there will be the same teachers like humans, or where there will be the same books like that books that we read now, or how many changes will be occurred there, how will children study then, what kind of teachers will be there, which type of classrooms and school will be there, and which types of books will be there in the future. All that questions and jumbling and grumbling that we have just seen here and occurring in our mind, that today we are going to see that all. Okay, so today we will shortly summarize the imaginative story, that is the fun they had. Now see guys, in that story you have two main characters. Which are these two main characters? Now see here, first one is Margie, that girl, and then Tommy, that is boy, okay. So now here in that story we are just, this whole story is depend on these two main characters, Margie and Tommy. Just they are discussing about one book, that Tommy got one book, real book we called it. Now this Margie is 11-year-old and this Tommy is 13-year-old, okay. Means I have here I have we are discussing the ages of Tommy and Margie, okay. Means how many old of Margie is there, how many year old? She is the 11-year-old and Tommy is 13-year-old, okay. You have to remember all these things. Now here, so our story begins from when Tommy gets a real book, which is a real, means when this Tommy gets a book, no, here it has the book in his hand, okay. So one day Tommy get the book. Now this book is a real book. Real book in the sense what? That now this is the story that we are talking in 2157. So now this is the 2020. Okay. So what the book that we have now? That type of book that Tommy hold in his hand now. Okay. Means this is nothing but the for that generation. This is the book that is the real book. Okay. Now because in the 2157 there will be the e-text, means electronic books will be there, that is screen that is show on the computer screen or television, like all this. Okay. So here now this story starts from that one. Okay, means when Tommy gets a real book, and that book, it is said that Margaret's grandfather's grandfather told them that there was the time when all stories were printed on the paper. Now see what Margaret's grandfather's grandfather used to told him, or used to told them, there was a time when all stories were printed on the paper. It means whatever that paper, suppose this is the paper, then all times it is written like this, means that same thing we are talking about ourselves now. Whatever that situations and conditions that, or the books that we have today with us, that we are going to discuss, that is nothing but the all stories and text that is printed on the papers that we have now. Okay. So now here Tommy and Margie both, means both never seen the book at all. They only, means they didn't know that is there exactly and how it looks, means is the book exactly, how is the book, is it look like this one that Tommy hold here, it is called book. Oh, means they both don't know that this text or this thing that they have hold in their hands, is it called book. They are confused. Okay, means really they are surprised, like this they are speaking with each other. So now why we are discussing this one, why we are discussing this one, because see here, I will scroll here, I have shown you one pic. That pic is nothing but related to the 2157. Now at that time there will be the computers in place of the teachers, there will be the computers in place of the teachers, means computers in place of the books. Now there will be the robotic teachers in place of the human teachers, there will be the robotic teachers, because of vast improvement in the field of technology. Now there will be the virtual classrooms. Virtual classroom means the classrooms where one girl or one student will sit in front of the computers, and all he or she will learn from that computer screen only. Okay. E-text means what? Whatever the books that we have now that Tommy hold in his hand, that will be not like this one. E-text means whatever the text or the books that you see in the television screen, or it may be in your computer screen or mobile. Okay. So that is nothing but the all thinking arrive in case of 2157. Okay, in that place. So when they both see that books that Tommy hold in his hand, what they see, they find the books that all the pages are yellow and crinkly, means torn. Okay, the pages with the many folds or lines in that. I already define you before of that how the pages in old days you found. See here, these pictures I have yesterday shown you, means how is this pic, how is this book, this all book is nothing but the crinkly, means yellowish and crinkly, torn pages, or having the lots of lines and folds in that particular books. So that book gets Tommy found one day. So they both find it very funny. Why? Because the text, words and the pictures in that book was still stood up. Whatever the books that they had, means they have in their hand, like suppose here, see here in that pic here, the Tommy hold that book and that we're discussing. How funny it is, na? Means Tommy and Maggie was discussing about that book. How funny it is. Means why they just find that book as a funny, because they find that text and words in that particular books are still stood up instead of moving the way that they were supposed to on the computer screen. Means they all know, they both learn every day on the computer screen, so they find themselves that how funny it is, na? In that book no pictures, no words never moves, means here and there, because in the computer screen whatever they learn daily, they find that all words and sentences are scroll anywhere. Okay. So like this condition was in that, so they thought that how funny it is, means all pictures are still stood up in place of moving. Okay, also even when they turn back to the pages before, it had the same words again, and they again find that when we turn back to our previous page, we get the same page, same words, same meaning, like this all. So all because of that things, they both find this book awfully funny, means they find it how funny it is, like this they were discussing about. Okay, so Tommy said, now in place of that, when they are discussing about that thing, they said that Tommy said, "Gee, what a vast thing it is." Means awfully he is replied that, "Gee, what a vast thing it is." Why they find that? Means student. So my dear students, now tell me one thing. Can you tell me why that Tommy find this book as a vast? Can anyone find the book as a West ever? No. In case of myself, I never find the book as a West. But still, after a specific time, we just given this book as a West. Why? Because now if I ask you the same questions, then you will also reply yes, right? Because according to Tommy's thinking, when you are through with the book, you will keep it carefully. Means whenever you just require that book. Now we are in the 9th standard, so for this book, if we talk about particular book, that is English textbook, you will keep that book with you for 1 year, up to your 9th standard. When you will proceed or go in 10th standard, why you will keep that 9th standard textbook? You will throw it away. Okay, you will give it to any person. So like as that will happen, means after a specific time, when you will read that whole book, you will give it as a waste. Means after completion of that particular book, after reading or syllabus, when syllabus is over, or when you will proceed in the next class, you will throw that previous book as a waste. So yes, right, because according to Tommy's thinking, when you are through with the book, you will keep it carefully, but after your work or after reading the book, you will throw it away, right? Obviously we all throw it away. So why we throw it away? By considering it as a waste material, because we have did all we want with that book, we have finished that book, so anyhow now it becomes the waste. So Tommy find, gee, what a waste thing it is. When we are through with the book, we just handle that book, but once the work is over with that particular book, then we throw it as a waste. But Tommy says that I never do like this, I never throw my books. But Tommy was replying, now see, what about myself? I never throw, means I never do like this, I never throw my books. Why Tommy never throw his book? Can you tell me one, anyone? No. So my dear students, let us remember here, Tommy never throw his book. Because why? Because he says that our computer or television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. Now see here, now Tommy says that, means our computer or television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good plenty for more. Means there is a lot of vacancy also, space also, for adding the new millions of new books in my computer. But I wouldn't throw it away. Means I have never thrown it away. I just keep that all books in my computer only, because it has lot of GB to store that. Okay, gigabyte we can call. So by listening to Tommy's words, her sister or her friend we can call, Margie, says that you're absolutely right. I also do same like you. Means Margie was also saying, yes, you're absolutely right. I also do same like you. So after that conversation, when they start looking and reading that book, Margie says to Tommy, where did you find that book, Tommy? What is all about written in that book? So Margie started questioning to Tommy that where you find that book, and what all about that book, means what is written in that particular book, and all these things. So Tommy gives reply to her. What Tommy gives reply to her? I found that book in my house, and it is all about the school. Now see here, where Tommy found that book, in an attic. Okay, that is the storeroom like room. Okay, storeroom we can call. So this is nothing but the pics of attic. Here the Tommy found that real book, whatever I am showing you in that pic. Okay, so that book Tommy found in that attic, and he was sitting single and reading that book. Okay, now see here. So by listening about the word, when Tommy said to Margie that I have found that book, and in that book there is all about the school, then Margie replied. So by listening about the school, Margie was scornful. Yesterday I told you the meaning of scornful, right? It is hateful. So she surprisingly react, what? School? How can someone write about school? Means that was the reaction of Margie. What? You are talking about school? How can someone write about schools? What's there special to write about school? It's so boring. I just hate the school. Like that reaction was giving by Margie. Means Margie was hating the school lot. Why she was hating, that we will see. Okay. Since Margie always hated the school, but nowadays she hated the school more than ever. So can you tell me one thing why Margie hated the school more than ever? Why? Because means whoever that mechanical teacher is there of Margie, means whatever the mechanical teacher of there, who used to teach the Margie, is continuously giving her a test after test, means of geography, of subject geography. That mechanical teacher was continuously giving the test after test of geography, and she had been doing very bad performance in that. Means she had been doing rust performance. With of that, her mother is also scolding her daily for her poor performance in study. Now here, with of that also, means with you also that happened the same thing. When you got a less mark, your mother also scold you, and even happened about myself also. Okay, and if with everyone it is happened, when we are giving our poor performance in our school, obviously teacher will scold us as well as parents will scold us. Means for avoiding that thing, or we can't avoid that thing na, we can't avoid the school. But Margie was hated the school, that she was giving the very poor performance in geography also, and her mother continuously bothering her, scolding her for her poor performance in her study and particular subject, that is geography. So that's why nowadays she is not really interested in going school, okay, or doing study also. And the school of Margie and Tommy is not like our school as we have now. No, that whatever the school that we have now, there was not school in future. Means whatever now you we are in the future now, so we will discuss about future school. Now whatever the school of Tommy and Margie is there, this is not like our school. Means we how is our school, can you tell me? Yes, our school is in the big building, okay, where all the students come to teach within a one classroom of the same age, like this. But here, this is not happened about, this not same happened about Tommy and Margie. Their classroom is a virtual classroom. We have already seen, see here, within the first pic, you'll find that virtual classroom. Here, see, schools in the future, that third point is a virtual classroom. So what is that virtual classroom? So this virtual classroom means what? Where there are the robotic teachers on the screen to teach them, and the students just have to sit in front of that to learn from them in their home only, not in the school. Means they have to sit only in the home, means in their own home only, okay, house only, not in the school like us. Means there is not any physical classroom or the building classroom that we have now. They have the virtual classroom where one only robotic teachers will come and then teach them, okay. So that's why Margie doesn't like school. Why Margie doesn't like school? Because of all that issues, Margie just hated the school. And nowadays, because of geography's poor performance, she even don't like to go in her classroom also. But due to Margie's regress in her study, now she was tensed, okay. Who was tensed? Margie was also tensed because she is getting very poor marks in geography. But more of that, her mother was very worried. Okay, her mother get very tensed, and that's why one day what happened? Her mother called to a county inspector. Now here, county inspector is nothing but one police inspector. It is just a person who can recover or just correct the or detect that particular mechanical robot. So that county inspector, means her mother called one day to the county inspector. Now see here what will happen. The interesting thing is that now that county inspector is not any police, like I already told you. So this county inspector come and meet to Margie and gave her an apple. First of all, when that county inspector came to the home, and then he meets to the Margie, okay, and that again after meeting, he smiled at her and gave her an apple and took away that mechanical teacher with him. Now here what happened? Whatever that person, that county inspector came here to take that mechanical robot with him, then he just look at Margie, smiled, and give her an apple also. So now Margie hopes in her mind that this mechanic teacher will not recover soon, will not come again ever. Means in her mind, what Margie think again? She thought that anyhow now this boring teacher has went away, and I don't want that mechanical teacher again in my classroom or in my home. Okay, so she hope in her mind that it will not come again, it will not recover soon. So why? Because she hates the teacher and study, na, that's why. So but regret, it's not happen like this. But afsos ki baat ye hai, it is not happen like this. Means the thing which is to be regret is that it is not happen like this. Means there is the all the dreams of Margie is shattered here. Why? Because whoever that county inspector took that mechanic teacher with him get returned back after an hour. Means within an hour that mechanic teacher, county inspector just came with that mechanic teacher after recovering him. Okay, means he smiled and patted Margie's head and said to her mother that this is not the fault of Margie's at all. She is doing very good. Means she is doing well progress in the geography in every subject. Only the fault of that mechanical teacher, because of the geography sector of that mechanical teacher was just geared to the little fast. Geared is the word that we already yesterday seen. Means it is just fast or quicking, means adjustment of the level. So that's why, because of that geography sector was set to the quite little fast according to the, means even we can see high level of that Margie's age. That is Margie was 11-year old. So it was maybe it was set to 15 years old or 16 years old students. So that's why she was unable to recover and mug up that all thing or understand all the things, that is whatever that mechanical teacher was teaching to her. So here now what happened after of that? But now I have what that mechanical county inspector say, now I have reduced or slowed down the speed of that mechanical teacher now to an average according to the average age, that is a 10-year level. Okay, as Margie's is nearly. So he said like this. Okay, who said like this? That county inspector said, I have adjusted the speed and level of that mechanical robot, and now it is just completely recover. But now what is the interesting thing is here, now whatever it may be, but still Margie was disappointed. Why Margie was disappointed? Because she had been hoping that anyhow this mechanical teacher will not recover soon, because once they had taken the Tommy's teacher away from nearly 1 month, because the history sector of this mechanical teacher has blanked out completely. Means Margie think in her mind that now anyhow that mechanical teacher will not return, because one day that same thing happened with Tommy's teacher also. Her history sector was totally blank out. So his county inspector has taken that mechanical teacher for 1 month, and now she hoped that for 1 month at least my teacher will also not return. But it is not happen like this. That mechanical teacher just came and returned within an hour. So here, so anyhow, it means anyhow Margie was disappointed, because again there will be a large, black and ugly with the big screen mechanical teacher. Now see here, this is the mechanic, we can call it like this. Okay, so means anyhow Margie was disappointed, because again there will be a large, black and ugly with the big screen mechanical teacher that she has to see daily, and all the questions and answers that she has to face daily. Okay, even she says that one more thing, that anyhow I will manage that question and answer and all these things. But whatever the things that she hated more, or that Margie hated more, is that she said whatever that I hate the most, that homework slot. Means which thing that Margie hate a lot in that homework slot, where she had to put her homework and test papers, as this is the machine. Means now she, whatever the papers, question papers that we submitted from you, it is in the paper format. But here in case of computer, they only have to keep that homework within that homework slot. Means slot means where the space of given, that is for homework, and the test paper slot, that is the slot which is given for this, or space, we can say space given for putting that homework slot, okay, or test slot. So that is nothing but the specific slots, okay. Within that she has to put her test papers also, and then homework also. And this was the mechanical teacher, anyhow, which is the mechanical teacher, it means mechanical robot. So it is nothing but machine. So machine will be quite fast from the rather than the human beings. Means even we can take the time, quite time to do the calculations, but mechanical teacher what do, it will check all the papers within the second. Means within the no time, she that whatever the mechanical teacher was used to check the papers and submitted it, okay. So within the very few minutes, or we can say seconds only, that mechanical teacher used to test that all, and within a quick time he used to tell the result also, okay. Now here, after that all thing, what happened now, even that, because of that thing only, Margie had that all thing. Means school, that study, and this question papers and all this homework also. But I don't require the same thing from you, you don't have to do it, okay. So keep in mind. Now here, after that all the conversation between them, they both come back to their previous topic. Whatever the discussions that they had means both Tommy and Margie, okay. They both had the conversation regarding to school, okay, and that mechanical robot. Now they again came to their initial topic, that is which topic was they discussing, that why would any, means they came in the previous topic of discussion about school only, okay. So that's why would anyone anyone write about school. So she said that, then why would anyone write about school? According to Margie, it was the big question, na. If school is like as that boring, that much hateful, scornful, like this one, means it is just a stupid thing. School is nothing but the stupid thing, according to Margie. So she replied like this, why would anyone write about school? Like this reaction was given by Margie. So here, so Tommy looked at her with the superior eyes. Superior eyes in the sense means what? Superior eyes means feeling proudness, okay, feeling proudness, or having or behaving like proudly, okay. Proud as peacock means just saying, feeling that she's the more he is the more experienced, and we can say having the more knowledge than Margie, okay. So here Tommy looked at her with a very superior eyes and said, stupid, because it's not our kind of school. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. That is, means in Loftly, he again pronounced like that is centuries ago, like this, okay. Means so Tommy, when Margie said that why would anyone write about school, then Tommy replied that with the very superior eyes, that stupid, anyone will write about that school, because it was not like our school that we learn or go now. It is the different school, okay. Means it is not our kind of school. This is the old school, hundreds and hundreds of years ago school, okay, like this, that is centuries ago. In very very deep word he says that. So, and at that time there were a human beings as a teacher, not these types of mechanical teacher. Tommy again reply him that it means there was a, this is the old school, but here now we have that mechanical teacher, na. But before of that there were not that mechanical teacher, there were the human being as a teacher. Means a man can be teach the students. So now but still Margie resist it all thing, that anyway they had a school and they had a teacher. So that was the reaction of Margie, that she said that anyway I don't care, anyhow they have the teachers and they had to do, means they had to go to school and they have to do the study also. So that's why she was hating that school. But when Tommy said that no, there are no stupid, means like as us, that we have now that mechanical teacher for teaching, they don't have that same, means they have the man to teach that particular students. So she was surprised about listening that human teacher, and said, a man? How could a man be a teacher? Like this, that Margie replied. What she said? When Tommy said, a man can be teach, so that Margie's replied, a man? How could a man be a teacher? A man isn't smart enough like a mechanical teacher. So this was the thinking of Margie, that a man isn't smart enough like a mechanical teacher. So Tommy said, means instantly Tommy said, and quickly, okay, what Tommy said? Why not a man be a teacher? Man is also intelligent, because my father knows as much as my teacher. So like as that Tommy replied. What Tommy said? No, why this is not will happen? This will not happen. Means this will be definitely happen, because my parents, that is my father, whatever the my father is there, that he is know as much as my teacher, means he is the brilliant person and he is a kind of man. So how can so that's why a man can be a teacher according to Tommy. But how can be a man be a teacher? There is a question for the Margie. Okay, so now Margie wasn't prepared to dispute, means disagree with the Tommy, because she wanted to know more about that school. Now here what Margie does. Margie never now just try to agree with him only. Okay, because she wanted to know more about that school, that book. Okay, that whatever that written in that book. So now then that Margie said, anyway, I don't want any strange man in my house to teach me. Margie again said that, anyway, let it go. I don't want any strange person in my home to teach me. Like that she was telling, means now here the word that we have to focus on, that is, I don't want any strange person in my home. Now she was talking about that strange person in the home, but now what replied that Tommy gave here, just listen. Now on the reaction of Margie, Tommy screamed with the laughter, okay, and said, Array, Margie, you don't know much. Now he said that, the Tommy said that, Array, Margie, you don't know much. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had the special building, and all kinds of, means all kinds of kids went there for learning from the human teacher. Basically, means here they are talking about our school that we go now. Means what happened about our school, every kids or every children just come from the various neighborhoods, okay, and within sit within a one classroom only, and one teacher just different teachers according to their time schedule teach them, okay. So like as that they were discussing about our school, okay. So now Margie was feels more curious about that book, because she wants to know further more about that school. So she says to Tommy, how it is possible to teach all children of the same age together? Because her mother means her mom says to each kid, says that each kid has to be taught differently. So according to Margie's mother, her mother used to say every kid has a different intellectual, and they have to teach differently according to their ages. So that was the thing that was fitted in the mind of Margie, okay. So she said like that to Tommy, okay. So over that, so Tommy says that if you don't like it, means again Tommy was get means he would get angry on that girl, that is Margie, and said, if you don't like it, then don't read it, means don't read that particular book. But Margie says that, no, I didn't say that I don't like it. Margie was saying, no, I didn't say that I don't like it, I like it, but I was saying that my mom said like this one, okay, etc and etc. So they weren't even half finished the book of the, means reading of that particular book, when Margie's mother called her, Margie, let's come, now it's school time. Means that's what the reaction of her mother, that means even they not finished the half book also, within that time schedule or within their conversation, Margie's mother called her and said that, Margie, just come, it's school time. Now even she says that to her mother. Now she don't want to come and attend that school, because you know already that for her the school is so boring. Okay, so even she said that she will come somewhat after time, means within a after 1 hour, a half hour she will come. But still her mother says to her, no, no, it's school time, let's hurry up. Like this, means scolding and behaving strictly with her. So her mother anyhow called. Now here, that girl Margie and Tommy, they both don't have to go any building like us for school. Okay, means whatever the school was there of Margie, her school is just right next to her bedroom only. Means how strange na, their school is only within their house only, like just right next to her bedroom there was her classroom. Okay, so whatever that mechanical teacher is there, he starts at the regular time except Saturday and Sunday, means only for the 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday. Like us, for us there is a Sunday only, which is the holiday. But for that mechanical teacher or Margie and Tommy, Saturday and Sunday there will be not a class. And but every day that mechanical teacher was start that class within a very appropriate time. Okay, so as soon as the maths teacher class starts, the screen gets lit up, and that mechanical teacher says, today we are going to learn arithmetic operators. So math teachers will enter on the screen. Okay, and that math teachers was saying that today we are going to see in arithmetic operators. In that we are going to learn the addition of proper fractions, and also says that whatever the yesterday's homework was there, please insert that homework in the homework slot. Like this, that mechanical teacher was speaking. Okay, so now anyhow whatever the yesterday's homework that Margie has given by her mechanical teacher, that she has to fill that within that homework slot, which was the most difficult hated thing for the Margie. Okay, so Margie did this with the sign, but she was thinking about only about how the old school was. Now she was within the one thinking only, which is that thinking how the old school was. Means during their conversation her mother called for her classroom, means in her classroom, because of her class was going on. So that's why the topic was disconnect from that. Okay, so within that, she was in the same thinking. From that time she was in the same thinking of how the old school was. Means now she is thinking how the old school was, when everyone goes together in the school, together eating, together laughing, together shouting in the schoolyard. Like as that she was thinking in her mind, how the means how beautiful na, when every people, every students will come together, will go together, will eat together, laugh together. Like this one she was thinking. She thinks about how all the students were sitting together in the classroom also, means going home together at the end of the day, as they learned same things together. So they could help one another with, means they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Means if anyone is suppose if someone Margie got any problem in homework, so she can ask to her friends if that is in the same age and learning with her. So like as that she was discussing how strange and good thing is it is na, how funniest and happiest thing it is, that everyone just go together to school, do the homework together. Like this, not only that, but also she thinks that how the teachers were people in place of mechanical teacher. Now one more thing what she discuss and think about in her mind, she thinks that how the teachers will be, means how the people, that person, means human being, how the human beings can teach to their childrens. Okay, so how the childrens will learn from that particular people, that human teacher. So during that, her mechanical teacher was dictating, flashing the addition of fractions on the screen. Means during that all things which was grumbling in that mind of Margie, during that suddenly her mechanical teacher was dictating whatever that addition that is done by Margie, was flashing on the screen. So he was dictating that. Okay, but still, anyhow whatever it may be, but still Margie was in the thinking only about how the kids must have loved the fun that made in the old days. Now what about what she thinks? She only think about how the kids must have loved the fun that they made in the old days. Means whatever that kids that there were in the old days, means nowadays that we are just doing that all fun together in the school. She thinks about that all fun about old days. So that is nothing but our chapter, that is the fun they had. That is the fun they had. So now students, so this was a very interesting story, and I have summarized that story within a very short, okay, and details also. So I hope that you have understood two main characters of the story, Tommy and Margie. You have understood that mechanical robot also, the person who recovered that county inspector also, her mother also for calling her who is calling her for her classrooms, okay, means attending the class, and all these things, okay. So this is nothing but the very interesting story that is based on our life, but they're just thinking about future school, how the future school will be, okay. So I hope that you understood that story very well. Now just keep that story in mind, and I hope that if you understood that story, now easily you can answer all the questions regarding to that particular chapter, okay. Now tomorrow we will see the explanation of this story in the details, okay. So for this today, just listen that story and keep that story in mind. I will ask you that same characters anyhow when we are just going live, okay. So thank you, have a wonderful day.